Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for October of 2023, and I am beyond excited because I love fall most of all, and I just thoroughly enjoy Q4 of each year. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so starting out, I'm setting the mood, and I also want to share with you that a couple of videos back, I did a video where I shared how I fallified my iPad, if you will. I got an Amazon gift card for my birthday and I spent it on iPad supplies. So check out that video if you are seeing anything that you like. Furthermore, I do want to share that I'm going to really quickly right now share with you all of the fall stickers that I have. And about 2 months ago, I did a sticker book tour. So if you want to see where I got all of my digital stickers and how you can get access to them for free because they mainly were all free, then check out that video. So first things first, on Sundays, there are 2 events that occur that we do not have to mark in our planner or mine or my husband's, because we know these occur every Sunday. And that is church, which is at 10:15 every Sunday. And right now it is football stuff. So every Sunday, my husband and I are invited with my aunt and friends to watch football at a particular venue. And that takes place around 12 o'clock every Sunday, so essentially after church. And those are just recurring tasks that we know are going to take place, and we kind of just go to them if we see fit. So I want to mention that, but I am not marking that. Another thing that I won't be marking, though I probably should have, is my husband's flag football schedule. So he sent me the schedule and I know the days, but I think all of the games are on Thursdays. So it's kind of easy to remember, and at 5 o'clock. So it's kind of easy to remember anyway. So I try to just not clutter up my monthly spread with tasks that I know that are going to take place. And I try to just put on here things that I might actually forget, not things that I have automatically converted to memory, if that makes sense. So starting out on October the 1st, instead of watching football, I am going to a brunch with friends. We were both invited, but my husband, I believe, is going to just go watch football. That's where he stands right now. So we'll have to see if he changes his mind. And then every day of each week, you guys, I like to mark the workout classes that are taking place, because every Monday there's step cardio, every Wednesday step cardio, every Saturday step cardio, so on and so forth. I'm at a place where I think I have converted to memory what the workout classes are and when they take place. But of course, we just joined this gym earlier this year, so I have been marking those essentially, but I think I'm at a place where I probably can do without marking those, because I'm in a place where I am attending these classes on a regular basis. Haven't done step cardio in a while, but there are other classes that I enjoy, but I really like step cardio. It's just, it takes a lot to get there. So anyway, on the 1st, I am going to a brunch. I don't remember what I had on the 2nd, but you guys, I made a boo-boo. My fall break from work is actually the 1st week of October and the 2nd week of October, not the 2nd and the 3rd week of October. So I just want to throw that out. And I'm just going to skip around. On the 5th, I'm supposed to have a kind of like a pool party situation with my friends, especially at my friend's apartment, because she has a pool there and it's going to be closing for the season. And so we wanted to have one last shindig at her apartment complex at the pool before it closed. So that's tentatively scheduled. And then of course, every Wednesday and Saturday, I shoot and aim to upload or to publish a YouTube video on this YouTube channel, which is of course my only YouTube channel. So that is also another task. Those are tasks that are going to take place and that are recurring, but I mark those anyway because I'm mainly not really marking that I'm putting up a video because I know when those days are, but mainly it helps me to know if some of the days in October I'm going to be going out of town. And so it's helpful for me to know what days I'm going out of town and what videos I'm aiming to put out so I can try to pre-record those videos. And then another part of this is that I'm not so much marking that I'm putting out a video, but really trying to plan out the exact videos. So on the 6th, my niece has a birthday, and I have been strongly considering going to visit her for her birthday because I haven't done that in who knows how long, but I'm not really sure that I am going to do that, but I'm strongly considering it. On the 7th, we will be going to Charlotte, North Carolina, because it is my friend's birthday and her husband invited us to a party that I guess he is hosting for her. So of course we are going to go to that. Don't have any plans on the 8th. Don't really have any plans, honestly, not too many. I mean, I know I have plans, but I don't have many plans during my fall break from work. Again, my fall break actually begins on the first Monday of October and not the second one. I know why I did that, because I know the fall break is the first week and the second week, but for whatever reason, I don't know. I'm still feeling like it's the second and the third week, and I don't know why I am doing this, but it's hard to convert it to memory. Obviously, it's the end of September, so I've pretty much got it down now. But yeah, for a long time, I've been thinking that the fall break was the second week and the third week. So anywho, moving back into that second week of October, I don't really, at this point, I kind of forgot some of the plans. I feel like my friend's birthday, the one who we're going to visit on the 7th, her birthday is actually on the 9th. And I don't know why, but this font just screams October to me. I am not really sure why. But on the 14th, I have a planner meetup. It's actually like a major planner event that I'm going to here in Georgia. So I'm excited for that. And then afterwards, my coworker's sister has a play because she's a playwright, and we don't have tickets yet, but we're strongly considering getting tickets to show support. Plus, I like arts and theater and all of that. So we're strongly considering that. On the 18th, we will need to give my puppy girl her monthly meds, which we do every month. And that's kind of being converted to memory too. But I will be honest that I don't ever want to forget that, because my girl needs her meds, and that's a part of me taking care of her. I don't want to not give her her meds and all that. So again, I kind of know each month that needs to take place and around what day, but I don't want to forget that. So I continue to mark it. On the 19th, there is a conference, and on the 20th, that same conference is both days. And I haven't purchased tickets, but I'm strongly considering purchasing tickets. It is a social work conference. It's virtual, and I really want to go, but I haven't purchased tickets yet. And then on the 20th, we have a weather makeup day, because the last hurricane caused us to shut down our schools just in preparation of, in anticipation that there might be some issues. We went ahead and closed, and so we have to make up that day. And it was already on the schedule, October 20th, as a weather makeup day, because that tends to happen a lot here. We might shut down even though the weather might not be that bad, or there might not be any damage, just to be safe. So we are going to have to make up that day. And kids don't report to school, but it's an e-learning day, and teachers and folks, we do have to report. So I just wanted to mark that. That's also why I am considering attending the conference, because on the Friday, it's the day where I don't have to see kids, so it could be ideal. Anywho, moving right along, on the 21st, my old coworker, is having a housewarming / Halloween party. And then my friend whose brunch I'm hosting like a bridal bachelorette brunch for her this weekend, September 30th. She is getting married, so she's not having a wedding or a wedding ceremony, like where people are invited. So I just want to mark that, though, in the event that, I don't know, I just want to because she originally told me to keep it open in case she invited a few people to witness the ceremony. So I'm just keeping it open in the event that I get an invite. But if not, it's fine, because I'm definitely down for eloping. And then we have Halloween. I think that was the last plan. And now what I am doing is setting up my monthly dashboard. So I brought over my recurring goals, which are a reflection of my annual goals. And I kind of have them split up I have them broken down into monthly goals. And then I'm updating my reading tracker, and then updating my habit tracker for October. So I am all ready for the month of October. I am super duper excited. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new and liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys in the next video.